Hello guys, welcome to ASUB channel. Want to DIY these gifts for your family or friends on this Halloween? Follow me please. Measure the coffee mug. Then transfer with a sublimation paper and ink.
A few moments later.
Print the photo which you prefer, and cut graphic to fit your coffee mug. Make sure the paper is pressed firmly against the surface of the mug, and secure the transfer paper with heat-resistant tape at each end of the printed transfer.
Later.
Once your mug heat press has reached 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius, carefully place your mug into the heat press without wrinkling or folding the transfer paper. Quickly remove the transfer paper tape to the mug by carefully removing the tape. Once the desired time has passed, open the press and remove the mug using your heat-resistant oven mitt.